Hi friends, so today at our Zoom meeting, we learned all about weather. So when I say W for weather, what letter do you think that is? It is letter W, okay? So we are going to spell weather together. W, E, A, T, H, E, R spells weather. Alright, so what is weather? Weather happens all around us every day. Weather can be sunny, weather can be cloudy, sometimes it can be rainy or snowy or windy. That is all different kinds of weather. Weather is always changing. There will be days that are hot, days that are cold, and days that are just right. So what kind of clothes would you wear on a hot day? Let's see, would you wear a t-shirt? Yep. How about some sunglasses? Yep. What about some shorts? I think so. And how about on a cold day? We would wear a jacket, maybe some mittens, and maybe some boots if it's raining. So did you know there are all different kinds of weather all over the world? That means if it's hot and sunny here, it might be cold and rainy somewhere else. There are special community helpers that help us by learning about the weather and what it is going to be. You might see these community helpers on your TV sometimes. Do you know what these community helpers are called? They are called meteorologists. Can you say that? Meteorologist. And if I say for a meteorologist, what letter do you think that is? That is letter M. So let's find letter M. All right. Meteorologists are scientists. They predict the weather, they tell us the forecast, and they use many different kinds of tools. So a forecast is right here, and a forecast tells us what the weather will be like for the next couple of days. Your mommies and daddies might have a weather app on their phone to see what the weather is going to be. That is a forecast. And meteorologists, they predict the weather. Predict means when you say something that you think will happen. So when we make a prediction, it's not always right, and sometimes it is wrong, and that is okay. But meteorologists, they study the weather, they look at the clouds, and they use their tools, and they predict whether it's going to be sunny or cloudy or windy, or if it's going to rain. So meteorologists use some of these special tools to measure and predict the weather. So it says right here, let's learn about some of these tools. Tap the thermometer. This is a thermometer. If I say T for thermometer, what letter is that? That is letter T. A thermometer measures the temperature and tells us if it's going to be a hot day or if it's going to be a cold day. So this is a rain gauge. If I say R for rain, what letter do you think that is? It is letter R for rain gauge. A rain gauge measures how much rain has fallen. So meteorologists, they measure the rain. All right, so this last tool is a satellite. Do you remember that we learned about satellites when we learned all about space? Well, meteorologists use satellites too. So if I say S for satellite, what letter is that? It is letter S. A satellite is a computer meteorologists send into space that can take pictures of the Earth. Satellites look at the clouds and see how fast the clouds are moving. So if they see a lot of clouds from space, it might mean that it's going to rain soon. So that's how meteorologists use satellites. So now we are going to be meteorologists and we are going to predict the forecast, okay? So it says it is gloomy and wet outside. What is the forecast? Is it snowy, sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, or is there lightning? It is raining. It is freezing cold and you might need some mittens. What forecast is that, friends? It is snowing. It is raining and you see a flash of light outside. There is lightning. It is daytime, but you cannot see the sun because it is cloudy. The clouds are covering the sun. It is breezy and a perfect day to fly a kite. Which forecast do you think that is? It is windy. It is bright outside and it feels warm, and it's the perfect day to go to the park or to go to the playground. It is a sunny day. So now we're going to do our own weather report, okay? So when I went outside and looked at the sky today, it was very, very cloudy. So I took a video so that we can watch together. So do you see the sky right here? The clouds are covering the sky and I could not see the sun. But then when I went outside again in the afternoon, the clouds were not there anymore. When I went outside, all the clouds were gone and it was a clear and sunny day. So do you see this video? There are no more clouds in the sky. It is just hot and sunny now. So now we're going to do our own weather report, and we're going to be doing this every day. So today's Monday, and it was cloudy in the morning, and then it was sunny later in the afternoon. All right, friends. So what you can do is you can grab a journal or a piece of paper and you can make your own weather report every day too. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So get a piece of paper or a journal. So here is my journal and I'm going to write the weather. Today's Monday, so I'm going to write Monday first, okay? M-O-N-D-A-Y spells Monday. And today is a sunny day. So I am going to draw the sun. And it was a little bit cloudy earlier, so I'm going to draw some clouds too. And then I am going to color the sky blue all over because it was a sunny day. It is a beautiful day to go outside. And if you want, you can draw yourself in the picture too. So I'm going to draw some grass. And now I'm going to draw myself, okay? Here's my head, my eyes, my hair, my clothes. And there's me in the grass on a sunny day. So you can draw a picture of what the weather is like every day and put it in your weather journal, okay? All right, that is the end of our lesson. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you guys all later, okay? Bye!